So you're thinking about building a referral program for your landscaping business. Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down an example of another landscaping business that's running a referral program, and they are giving out $250 per referral, which is a great incentive. However, there's one thing that I noticed where I think that they can improve this program. Let's take a look. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, my name's Lamar and I'm a seven-figure serial entrepreneur helping you start and scale your service-based business with AI marketing automation. In full transparency, I am the owner and CEO of ReferralHero, where we build referral, partner, and affiliate programs for service-based businesses. So if you are getting value out of today's video, please at a minimum, give it a thumbs up or make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want to check out Referral Hero and build a referral program for yourself, we'd be more than happy to talk with you. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. We're going to be evaluating Wheat's Landscaping. Now, taking a look at their homepage here, they pretty much do all of your landscaping needs. So whether that's designing and building, maintenance, pest control, you name it, they pretty much do it. Now, initial impressions of their website, super clean, nice. Obviously, it looks like they do really great landscaping work. What I'm looking for here, though, is the referral program mentions. Right up here, I can see that they have a referral program with a clickable button to the actual page. So I love that. Also love that no matter where you are on their page, you always have access to their referral program. So that's a great start for advertising and marketing their referral program. Taking a look at the actual referral program page and how they're marketing it, I like how they have clear definitions. So refer a friend or neighbor or family member. When that person signs up as a maintenance customer or a plan, you both get rewarded. So I like how they're clearly defining the rules of the referral program. Second, the rewards are tiered and clear. So you earn $250 when they do a package. You also earn $50 if they do a service such as the mosquito, pest, or tree. So they have different kind of rewards depending on the services that you book. Third is that there's no limit on the number of referrals that you can submit to the business. That should seem obvious, but that's not always obvious. Some businesses actually limit the number of referrals that you can make to the business, which is questionable. Something we rarely ever recommend at Referral Hero. So it's great to see that you can make as many referrals as you want to the business and you're going to get rewarded for it. Fourth, while they do say that both parties are going to get rewarded, it's not clear what my friend or neighbor gets when they also participate in the referral program. So it's great that they're thinking about the referral or the new lead that's going to be generated. However, there's nowhere on this page that talks about what my friend is going to get when I refer them. Now let's talk about some improvements that they could make to the referral program. The first thing that I'm noticing is that they say the advocate or the ambassador for the business will earn $50 when you refer someone to one of the mosquito, pest, or tree services. But coming down here on the page, I noticed that when I'm selecting a option here, it kind of has a different reward. It's saying that if I refer someone to the pest services, I only get $30. The mosquito services, I'm only going to get $30. So there's kind of a mismatch in the terminology that's being used for the referral program. So they say earn $50 up here, but $30 down here. So obviously we would want to fix that or clear that up. The second observation, and I already hinted at this earlier, is that it's not very clear what my referral gets. They say that both parties are rewarded, but I don't know what my friend gets. So me not knowing what my friend gets, I'm going to default to nothing. If it's not clear, the assumption is that there will be no follow through. So we want to make sure that the double-sided rewards are very clear so both people clearly understand what they're going to get when they participate. The third observation is that I actually have to enter in my friend's information here. While this is a very popular format for referral programs, we find that most people don't do this. They don't feel comfortable giving up their friend's email, name, phone number, and submitting it to the business. There are many other ways that a referral can be sent to the business or tracked to the business besides just entering in your friend or neighbor's information here. So there's lots of opportunity for improved tracking for customer to customer relationships. So while I think that this is a great start for the referral program and for Wheats, I think that they're probably getting some participation. I think that if they added some of these tweaks, they improved the overall program infrastructure, they might be able to double or triple the results that they're seeing. This is the exact process that we go through when implementing a referral or a partner program for all of our customers. If this is something that you're interested in, please check out Referral Hero or take a look at my other videos where I'm doing further breakdowns on other service-based business referral programs. Minimally, if you gotten value out of it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.